Hi, in our film lesson today we will be explaining the characteristics of several types of quadrilaterals. The quadrilaterals that we will be explaining today are squares, rectangles, rhombuses, trapezoids, kites, parallelograms, and of course, quadrilaterals.
Quadrilateral is a polygon that has 4 sides and a total interior angle sum of 360 degrees. There are 7 types of quadrilaterals, with the first being a quadrilateral itself. Another type of quadrilateral is a parallelogram. It has 2 pairs of parallel lines and has congruent sides. So, a square would be considered as a quadrilateral for having 4 sides. And then, for an example, a parallelogram would be a shape, of course, having parallel sides.
Types of quadrilaterals are squares and rectangles. A rectangle is classified by 4 sides and 4 right angles. They have 2 sets of parallel lines and can have 4 congruent sides, or opposing sides are congruent. As shown here. A quadrilateral that has 4 congruent sides and 4 90-degree angles is a square. The diagonal of these 2 quadrilaterals bisects. As shown here.
The next 2 quadrilaterals are the kites and the trapezoid. Kites have many characteristics that separate them from other quadrilaterals. Their diagonals intersect at right angles, and there are adjacent congruent sides. So that's a kite. On the other hand, trapezoids have a lot of characteristics. One of these is that the bases are parallel but not congruent. In an isosceles trapezoid, the 2 legs are congruent as well. That's a normal trapezoid. And it's an isosceles trapezoid.
The last quadrilateral that we will be talking about today is a rhombus. It has many characteristics and can also be other quadrilaterals. A rhombus is a figure with 4 congruent sides. A rhombus can also be a square and a rectangle too. See, this is what a rhombus looks like. In conclusion, today we learned about the 7 types of quadrilaterals and how they are classified. We also learned that they can be further classified into parallelograms and non-parallelograms. Hope you liked the lesson today, and we hope that you learned something from this presentation.